Right, let me take you through the horrific Pollachi sexual assault case. It seems like finally justice has come by. Tamil Nadu's most horrifying case of mass sexual assault. As we see, the first step towards justice, the Mahila court in Coimbatore has delivered its verdict in the Pollachi sexual assault case. All 9 accused have been sentenced to life. And in fact, life until death, ordering 85 lakhs in compensation paid to 8 of the survivors. The Pollachi case that came to light in 2019 really shocked the nation. The crimes that took place between 2016 to 2018 came out only in 2019 when 9 men ran a predatory sexual assault racket. They blackmailed, sexually assaulted, videographed young women, including college students. Now, the case that began was with a 19-year-old survivor filing a complaint in 2019. There was a lot of complaints that the case was mishandled by the local police there, and then finally it was transferred to the CID, the CBI. Over 50 witnesses were examined, 240 plus documents were submitted, charges were framed finally in November 2021. The case also reveals a systematic rot, of course, as we know that there was large-scale mishandling, a lot of trivializing of victim accounts. Survivor's identity was disclosed, unfortunately. The Coimbatore SP on live TV had disclosed some of the names, and including that, the involvement of the ruling party functionary was also a lot more incriminating. It was, of course, at that point, the worst case that rocked Tamil Nadu, and finally we see those accused have been sentenced to life, 9 of them. I'm going to take you through what MK Stalin has put out in a message on the X platform. He says justice has finally been served for the atrocities committed by the criminals, including the evil AIADMK executives. Of course, pointing to the previous regime, the AIADMK, one of its functionaries who was allegedly involved in the case. This is a straight jibe at the opposition party. We also know former Chief Minister and AIADMK leader Edappadi Palaniswamy has responded, saying it was my government that arrested the accused finally and ordered for a CBI probe. Unlike the DMK, I did not try to protect my own. Well, the Pollachi verdict, of course, certainly has closed a legal chapter here, but it's reopened wounds that may take much longer to heal. Nonetheless, we hail this justice for those victims.